Okay, so in example 1, we have to reflect the point 2 comma negative 4 across the line y equals 2. We talked in class today a little bit about reflecting over an axis, but now we're reflecting over a line. So let's go ahead and draw the xy axes because we have points and a line. If you have a ruler, it would be cool if you could use it, but if you don't have a ruler, that's fine. Alright, so we have 2, negative 4, that's the point. So I went over 2, down 4. The line is y equals 2. So notice this is the x-axis, this is the y-axis. Y equals 2 will be right here. And I'm going to draw just a dotted line where y equals 2 is. Alright? And it's interesting, this point C is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 below that line y equals 2. So for my answer, I'm going to go 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 above. And I'm almost off the graph, but that's my answer right there, that point, because if this is like a mirror, if I could flip this, it would be in the same spot. So this is a good example too. This says reflect the point negative 3 comma 7. And since that point, negative 3 comma 7 is in the axis that's in the upper left corner, I'm going to make that axis the biggest. On the EOCT or end of course test, just for your information, the graph paper doesn't have coordinate grids like axes, or it doesn't have axes, the x and y axis, so that's why I went ahead and didn't give it to you here. So this is reflect the point negative 3 comma 7. So 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Across the line x equals negative 5. So x is the horizontal axis, so I'm going to go over 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And draw a dotted line at x equals negative 5. And then see how the point is 2 to the right. So that's the pre-image. The image will be 2 to the left. So that's, if we wanted to label these, that would be the pre-image, that would be the image. Let's look on the last example. I'm going to try to, I think this will look a little different for you guys because the negatives will probably be in the right place by the time I print it for you guys, but this says quadrilateral ABCD has vertices A, 2 comma 5, B. This is not a good question. We'll go over this in class on the next day.